How to convert PDF to Word document and edit it. You can add the text, you can edit the text. So this method useful for any PDF type, like if you have normal PDF file or scanned PDF file or handwritten PDF file, you can simply apply this method and you can get the results. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay, so just come over the browser and just log in with your Google account. We need the Google account for this method, so just log in with your email ID, Gmail email ID, and then just go to the Google Drive. Just click on Google Drive. You can simply search Google Drive application on search bar. So Google Drive application will be start like this. So now this is, as you know, this is a space or free space from Google, where we can get the up to 15 GB space, where we can save our files, upload our personal files, and you can store here. So if you want to convert your PDF file, any PDF file like scanned, your handwritten, or any other normal PDF file, you can use this method. It is very useful for any kind of. Okay, so first we need to go in new, go to the file upload. Here you need to select that file, PDF file. Just select it, go to the open, and it will be start uploading. You can see it's upload now. Now go to the recent here, so you can see your recent uploaded file. Okay, now just select it, right click on it. You can just right click on it, just go to the open with and click on open with Google Docs. So it will be open in Google Docs application in next step. So it will take few seconds. So it is, yeah, it's open now, you can see. So this is normal. Okay, so my PDF file was the element was the same, that's why it is open like this. Okay, so after it's open, you can simply edit the text, you can add the text. Okay, after you're done, just go to the file, download as a Microsoft Word, or you can also download again as a PDF if you want. Go to the Microsoft Word, it will be start downloading, and you can see this file has downloaded in your computer. So that is how you can freely convert your PDF document in Google Docs. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.